We are going to have a look at the results page. In order to get some results, we can add in some information to these fields. Now, if you ever want to clear a field, you just need to click on one of the crosses there. But in actual fact, I think I'm going to leave it with the map field listed and click down to search so we get some results. So you can see that it says it's showing 25 results, and we can click on any of those results by clicking on the blue writing. So once you click on the blue writing, you get a page that looks like this. We've got the hierarchy down the side, which I'll explain more about in a second. We've also got a bit of information in the middle here. So we always have the reference code. That's the reference you need to order up the document. You have a title, you have dates, and then you have an extra information. So in this case, the level of the description, we know it's a file, and the extent and medium, we know it's just one file. The rest of the information will vary depending on what is included in the fields. So you might not have context area telling you the name of the creator, you might not have scope and content, it just depends on what's included in the catalogue. In this case, we have got the name of the creator, we know which repository it's in, and we can also see the scope and content. So by clicking on these arrows, you can see a bit more information. We know now that it is a draft Mulbarton Village plan. We've got a bit more information about when it was developed and things like that. Finally, down the bottom, you also have this genre access point that I mentioned before, so we know that it comes under the word maps. Now, I mentioned that I would talk about the hierarchy, and that's quite key at the moment. So we can see here that you've got the hierarchy down the side, and that tells you the fund that it comes under. So it's under Mulbarton Parish Council. Within that, it's in a series called correspondent files, and then you've got a list of all the different files. This one, highlighted here, being the village plan that we're looking at, but above it you've got footpaths and rights, you've got Norfolk County Council reports on the housing development and so forth. And you can see down the bottom we've got 35 more, so we can click on that and see what else we've got. You can also close it up and have a look at what other series come under the funds for Mulbarton Parish Council. So if we click on that, you can see that you've got the Parish Council minutes that we were looking at. You've also got other minutes, accounts, you've got Parish Councillors' declarations on acceptance of office, and then correspondence files. And again, you've got 2 more series. So we can have a play around with these and have a look at what else comes under this, and you can move around the documents quite easily. So if we click on this one, we can see a bit more information about this one, which comes under the correspondence files and is about the purchase and sale of parish allotments.